I used to do that.
That guy's like, just pick it up already.
I know, I'm trying, man. Why, he's quick.
He wants to go that way, hon.
Huh?
I'm just joking.
I know.
He's like, man, just leave me alone.
Help me out here, Lord. Come on.
Holy shit. Oops, sorry. Didn't mean to swear. Maybe if we both come at it.
Yeah.
Go this way.
He'll hurt you, babe.
Woo!
Man, that's quick.
Oops, sorry, I didn't get
Stay in the car. Go park the car somewhere.
Hun, I'd rather someone see the car than just
Yeah.
see some random
I know.
person.
Here, let me.
He's almost gone, hun.
Here, come on. Come on.
There you go. Maybe someone will come help us.
Huh?
Maybe someone will help us.
He's getting there. I know, right? That's what I'm hoping for.
There we go. Get off of it.
Come on. Come on, come get some. There you go, Mr. Turtle. Here we go. Huh? Come on.
He better not go back out on this road and get hit.
I know. All right, come on.
All right. Get in the car seat.